This is my puppy. This is my puppy under a laundry basket. As you will see, he is currently turning around inside and trying to figure out how to get out. Nova, here's my hand. Here's my hand. See? Nova, good boy, Nova. Good puppy. Good boy. Fingers, look, see Nova? I'm right here. Everything's okay. Don't worry, little puppy. He's staring soulfully through the bars, if you can see that. Okay. And now he's learnt. Yeah, there you go, puppy. Good boy. As you could see, he managed to move the basket a bit when he pushed it. There. Hang on. I'll draw back a bit. Good boy, Nova. Come here. Good boy. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good boy. See? He'll lick my fingers even though I just stuck him inside a basket. Oh, you're such a cute little puppy. Alright, time to let him out. And a 1, and a 2, and a go! There's a good boy, there's a good puppy. Now the thing is, if you put him the other way around, inside the basket, he is stuck. He is such a little puppy. He can't get out. Poor puppy. Now he's looking at me to see if I'll take him out of there. I know, I rescue you from everything, don't I? Alright, out you go. Plump. There you go. Everything's okay. I'll stop tormenting you. Mostly because I now have to go do laundry.